Hello guys, it is EA Info here. If you are not familiar with our channel, here we discuss technology and life hacks for the improvement of our lives. If you've ever wondered how software applications are tested before they're released to the public, you're not alone. The answer lies in the world of QA testing, a vital process that ensures software products are functioning properly and meeting the needs of users. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of QA testing, exploring what it is, what QA testers do, the programming languages, applications, and tools they use, and how to become one. What is QA testing? At its core, QA testing is a process of ensuring that software products meet the requirements and expectations of users. QA testing involves a series of tests that check for bugs, glitches, and other issues that could impact the performance of the software. This can involve testing the software in various environments and under different conditions, as well as analyzing user feedback to identify areas for improvement. What does a QA tester do, and their responsibilities? A QA tester is responsible for performing the tests that ensure software products are functioning properly. This can involve testing the software in a variety of ways, including manual testing, automated testing, and exploratory testing. Manual testing involves performing tests manually, while automated testing involves using specialized software to perform tests automatically. Exploratory testing involves testing the software in an unscripted manner, allowing the tester to uncover unexpected issues. The responsibilities of a QA tester can vary, depending on the organization and the project. However, some common responsibilities include developing and executing test plans, creating and maintaining test documentation, collaborating with developers and other team members to identify and resolve issues, analyzing user feedback and data to identify areas for improvement, communicating test results and other findings to stakeholders. Programming languages, applications, and tools used in QA testing. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer to what programming languages QA testers use, there are several languages that are commonly used in the industry. These include Java, Python, Ruby, C++, and JavaScript, among others. The language use depends on the specific needs of the project and the tools being used for testing. Some popular applications and tools used in QA testing include Selenium WebDriver, a popular testing framework for web applications that allows testers to write automated tests in a variety of programming languages. Jira, a project management tool used to track bugs, issues, and other tasks. Appium, a cross-platform mobile testing tool that allows testers to write tests in a variety of programming languages. Postman, a tool used for API testing and documentation. How to become a QA tester? If you're interested in becoming a QA tester, there are several steps you can take. First, you'll need a strong foundation in computer science and programming, including knowledge of software development methodologies and testing frameworks. By the way, check out our video about software development, you can find the link in the description below. You'll also need to develop strong analytical skills and attention to detail, as well as the ability to communicate effectively with other team members. Some companies require a bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field, while others may accept relevant experience or certification. That is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you understand the tech world better, please subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with friends. Leave the comments below. To see more interesting things, check out our previous videos. See you in the next video.